We have 490 maintenance accounts. That's 490 customers who paid for a service visit, and someone has to call every one of them to schedule it. We used to do that manually. A coordinator would pull the list, start dialing, leave voicemails, wait for callbacks, try again. It took most of a week, twice a year, and we still missed people. We built an agent to handle it. Here's how it works. The system pulls all active maintenance accounts from Field Pulse and sorts them by when their last visit was. Anyone overdue for spring service goes into the outreach queue. It groups them by zone, which tech covers that neighborhood, and writes personalized outreach for each one. Not a form letter. It knows their equipment, when it was last serviced, and what the tech found last time. The message references those details. We send it two ways: text for customers who've responded to text before, email for everyone else. The replies come back to a monitored inbox. When someone says yes, it drafts a job in Field Pulse, assigns it to the right tech based on zone, and drops it into the schedule. No coordinator touching any of it. The numbers. First cycle with this system, we booked 68% of the outreach list in under 4 days. That's compared to about 55% over 2 weeks the previous year. The other 30% mostly didn't respond. Not a different outcome than before, just faster to find out. What made the difference wasn't the automation, it was the specificity. A message that says your Navin is due for its annual flush and filter check gets a different response than it's time for your annual maintenance. The agent knows what equipment is on site. It uses that. That's why the reply rate is higher. We run this twice a year, spring and fall. The spring run just finished. Total time I spent on it, about 20 minutes setting it up, then watching it run. 490 accounts, 20 minutes. That's the point.